Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to display. In here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode and schedule our dark mode. Then we can change brightness level, enable automatic brightness, sunlight mode and night mode. Next, we can enable reading mode and also schedule it. Then we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard, and color temperature of the display. Next, we've got text size. When device is in VR, to reduce blur or reduce flicker. We can manage full screen mode for apps. And enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.